Jen here from She Flips Websites. In this episode, we're going to talk about AI website flipping. I'm so excited to cover this. I've been talking about this a lot on my TikTok. If you don't follow me, my handle over there is website flipping. So feel free to head over to TikTok and give me a follow. I'd greatly appreciate it. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. And for the algorithm, we're about 30 seconds in. If you can comment flip, that would I would greatly appreciate it. That will definitely help me to get more visibility. It helps to increase engagement, helps more people be able to see my content here on YouTube. If you're following along in my journey, what I'm doing is for the month of July 2025, my goal is to publish 3 videos a day. I want to rapidly grow this channel. I want to put up and publish a ton of helpful, valuable videos about website flipping, and I think one of the best ways to do that is through content. So I am 7 days in, far behind. What's important is that at the end of the month, I meet my goal. I know every day I'm not going to hit 3 videos a day. I might hit 1 video, 2 videos, 0 videos. Some days I might even batch create and do 6 or 7 videos. But as long as I'm still working toward that goal, by the time August 1st comes, I want 90 videos published. So that's what we're working toward. It's a crazy plan, but I'm going to see how it goes. Okay, let's get into this. Before we get started, let's cover what website flipping is really quickly. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and ask it, what is website flipping? If you follow the channel, you probably already know about this and how I do it. There's 2 ways to do it. You can either buy or build a website. Now, buying and flipping is just what it sounds like. It's like real estate. You buy a house, you improve it, you sell it for a higher amount than your investment, and you profit. Same thing with websites. You buy a website, improve it, you sell it for a higher price than your investment, and you profit. Buying and flipping is great. I think you can make more money with it than building and flipping, to be honest. But the main caveat and why a lot of people can't do it is because of the money. You need a budget to be able to purchase sites. Now, while there are sites that are $50, $100, a couple $100, to make the most from this, you're going to want to, excuse me, buy an established site that is priced probably in the 4 figures for it to be pretty established, have a solid footing on Google, and have certain key elements in place for you to be able to go in, improve it, and make your money back plus more. So it's hard, it's more advanced, and then you need a budget. So building and flipping is the second route, which a lot of people take, me included. What you're going to do with this is create a website from scratch, grow it, and sell it. To create the site, a small budget of no more than $50 is needed to start. I have some students that put 30 bucks in, 40 bucks in, 50 bucks max, and that's going to go towards costs like domain and hosting. So that's what you can kind of expect cost-wise comparing between the two. So that's what website flipping is. Now, what is AI website flipping? It's about flipping sites, building and flipping, which is my method, using AI tools. Now, currently, when I build and flip sites, I'm already using some AI tools to help me with things like content and graphic design. So I do use some AI tools already, but AI website flipping takes it up another notch. You're going to be using tools to help you create a website from scratch, start to finish. So you're going to use a tool to build your site, not just the content, not just the design, all of it. I've been playing around with this, and let me share some of the mock-ups, some of the demos that I have created so far. Okay, so the first one is this site here called Styled Nest, and this is a home decor blog. This took just a few minutes to create. I don't know what pages are working. This is just a mock-up, so you're going to see it's kind of unfinished. There's a picture missing here. Not all the pages work, but it gives you a pretty solid foundation for a site, and this was totally created with AI. Styled Nest. Pretty good, right? Another one to look at, Digital Hustle Lab. This one is a website about making money online. And here's what the homepage looks like. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let me see if I have any others to share. Let's see. Okay, here is another one. This was a baby blog. Super cute. Looks like this. There's a bunch of different AI website builders that you can use for this. Not all of them work the way I would need it to for website flipping, but I'm going to go over the ones that I have checked out and how I created these different sites. Let's take a look. So the tools that I have used so far are Lovable.dev, which created this site here, Styled Nest, and then also this baby site here, Little Snuggles. I've also used a tool called Bolt.new, and I've used a tool called TenWeb. So these are three of the ones that I used. The reason I picked these out is because first, you don't need to have a lot of tech skills to use these AI website builders. So if you're not incredibly tech savvy, if you don't know coding or computer programming, you can definitely use these. They all work the same way. You're going to feed it a prompt, and then within a couple minutes, it's going to create your website for you. And then from there, you can either host it on their platform, or you can pick it up and move it to your host, your choice. For what I'm doing with website flipping, I'm going to pick up the design and move it to my host. And I teach that in my course, The Art of the Microflip. Okay, so for my course, it teaches website flipping for starter sites and established sites, covering things like how to create the content, tools to use, design, layout, SEO, website traffic building, monetization, and a lot more. You're going to learn how to grow the site, how to flip it, where to flip it. There's also a 30-day case study of a website flip inside the course. So what I did was I built and flipped a website specifically for the course to show students. So you're going to find that in there. And then this comes with the group coaching and a student group too. In the student group, you're going to be able to participate in challenges with me and other students. You're going to be able to see me build in public. You're going to see my current, past, and future website flip projects that I work on, as well as projects that students are working on. And these are some success stories from students. Q flipped over 250 websites. She does website flipping full time. B flipped her first site as a beginner and made $300. And then these are some of my flips I personally done. My first one made me over 81K. My most recent one I sold for over 26K. And this will be in my profile if you want to check it out to learn website flipping. So that's a look into AI website flipping. I hope you have a clear picture of how everything works. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to comment flip for the algo. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.